Alright, in this video, I want to share you my favorite features using the iPhone 16. Although it comes with iOS 18 and iOS 18 also comes with new features, there are existing features that are outstanding on the iPhone 16. Let's see if your favorite features are on my list. Alright, number 8, the design. You can see it looks like the previous iPhones, but it still looks really good. And this time, it looks better than the Pro models with a variety of really nice colors. It is also slim and really great to hold. Number 7. The action button. Alright, the action button replaced the silent button on the base model. So now you can use this button to assign options other than silent. Number 6. Notes app with AI upgrade. Now, taking notes with Apple Intelligence makes your notes even better. It has proofread feature. You can also ask it to rewrite, or you can ask the AI to compose your ideas into sentence. Yes, it makes my notes more proper and better. Okay, number 5, the speaker. It sounds really good. Not only it is loud, but you can also hear the bass. It is not as punchy as a large speaker, but again, it sounds really good. Number 4, the camera. One of the standout features of this camera is its ability to produce sharp image even when zoomed in significantly. The camera consistently delivers well-exposed photos and is particularly impressive in low-light conditions and capturing stunning night pictures. Alright, number 3. The A80 chip is excellent. It did a good job on AAA games. It opened and ran all apps smoothly, and everything was responsive quickly. Speed is one of the most important features for any smartphone, and the A80 chip delivered it pretty well. Alright, number 2. The adaptive icon. I like how a widget can be used to replace the icon. Some apps are used only for widgets, so now I can replace the icon with the widget, and my homepage is cleaner with fewer icons. Alright, for number 1, the shortcut apps. Of course, this is not a new feature on iPhone. But since the iPhone 16 now has an action button, you can assign it to shortcut apps, and it can be used for almost anything. I can make a call with just one press, or open Facebook, or turn off all connections. It can be anything for a regular routine. I also make shortcuts to access some features on Control Center. So the Control Center can now be used to access almost anything. Alright, so even there are new features coming on iPhone 16, I still think the shortcut apps is outstanding and better than new features. Just like this camera button, it really didn't giving advantage for the new iPhone 16. I can open the camera faster by swiping the screen, and it is way more convenient to access all the camera features on the screen. So, choosing a new phone doesn't mean you need to look for only new features. Some existing features are really helpful in daily life, and those great features shouldn't be overlooked by new features. You can get any new phone, but the most important thing is how it benefits your lifestyle. So, there are my favorite features on the iPhone 16. What about you? Leave a comment and let's talk about it. Alright, I really appreciate it for your subscribe and like for this video, and see you guys in the next video. Stay awesome!